Okay, so we've got a November 2021 Mazda CX-5 Max. First registered in 2022 with a 5-year factory warranty. This vehicle's only done 14,400 kilometers. It's got the alloy wheels, leather interior, it's got the electric sunroof, good set of tyres, everything's pretty much like new, front sensors. One private owner and just a beautiful car. We'll take a look at the interior as well. So we've got the power windows, we've got lane assist, stop start, we've got the radar cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, there's your dash there, yeah, 14,400 Ks, big satellite navigation, colour screen, climate air conditioning, and of course it's automatic, and you've got your little command centre there, 2 keys and logbooks. The interior seat trims are pretty much like brand new. It is electric seats with seat memory. Just show you in the back as well. Pretty much like brand new. All inquiries welcome. Please give us a call.